Okay, so we've got one of these batteries in today. I'm not entirely sure what the style is, but it sort of slides onto the a little rack behind the seat post, and then the pins interface here, and the lock pin goes into there on the bike itself. It was originally 10.4 amp hours, supposedly with Samsung cells. We'll find out. It's tested at just over 6 amp hours. Everything seems to function, so the little light on the switch there seems to function. That seems to function fine too. A little bit beaten up. Not holding its full capacity, but we don't know how old it is, so pass. Offcuts of wire, delicious. Oh. What kind of cells they've got in there? Probably going to be stuck in from the bottom. That's fun. So pull some of these off. There it goes. Freedom. Not sure if it's held in with these or from the bottom. I seem to recall that these just hold the different groups together. It doesn't actually free it out of the case. Take the bottom off and see. Ah, I see. It's never a good sign, is it? Delicious rust. They do even look like Samsung cells, though. 26Fs, which is good. And I don't know why I can't push the pack through. Don't know if it's actually those screws in the top. It must be. Must be. Doesn't really want to move with them in place. Let's unscrew those and see what kind of fan there is underneath. Obviously letting a bit of water at some point over its life. Been out in the rain maybe. Oh yeah, movement. It's almost smashing around for nothing. So that was 4 screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4 there that held this plate on, and now probably didn't need to take the bottom off at all, but the whole bit should slide free if we need it to, which I don't need to just yet, but that'll be how we find out what's inside it. What I did want to do was check the balance of all the cells. So it's a 36 volt battery, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 wires, which is great. Means that all the balance leads are actually here, and it's not just robbing one, which is really handy for my tester. So I think it's complete. It's as dead as the BMS would let it go before it cut off once. So I'll get my tester on. Plug this in. Which side is the negative? That one. That with a bit of Sharpie, just so you can see. And it's the large style. Get that plugged in there. Aha. So if we zoom you in on that, we've got all nice and well balanced to a point. That one's the highest group, but yeah, fine, it's not that far out really. And this will be the one that's cutting off at 3.48 volts. Group number 10, which is the positive end of the battery, which of course is the rusty one. Surprising, isn't it? So one of these cells has probably failed. That's why it's giving us, oh, well, 1, 2, maybe more than one. Or the spot well's loose or something. Ah, there you go. Spot well's come off. Where it's rusty. You can't see. Here we go. That's that. This spot weld here is not attached. Yeah. It's just start coming off. Oh my. Ah, there's a problem. It's all a bit gross under there. Well, time to call the customer, I think. Yay.